Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I decided to start kind of doing like a throwback palette series. I don't know that I'm going to like do it a weekly thing, but I do want to start using palettes that I haven't been using in a while, that aren't new, haven't come out recently. So today I decided to do an eye look with the Beached Eyeshadow palette by Urban Decay. I got this a couple years ago and it's really just been sitting in my drawer, so I wanted to do a nice little throwback eyeshadow look for you guys. So if you're excited to see what look I come up with this palette and if I decide to keep it or not, then go ahead and keep watching. So basically, I want to start trying to use my older makeup, and I decided that what's a better way than doing like a throwback makeup series for you guys, basically just using older palettes that I haven't touched in a while, and at the end determine whether am I going to keep this palette or not. So I wanted to use this one today. It's very pretty. I bought it because I absolutely love the color story. I absolutely love the colors in it. So I want to see, is the formula still good? Do I really love this palette? Do I really need to keep this palette? So I've already done my eyebrows, I've already done my eyes, the priming part at least, the rest of it's not done. So we're gonna get right into this look. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna go in with Daybreak right here. This like orangey brown look as like an all over color maybe? I don't know yet. I haven't decided. So I'm taking this color and I'm gonna go ahead into my crease and the outer corner and just buff that on. It's actually extremely pigmented. I really, really love these colors. I love the oranges. I love the blues. Like, just together, they work so well, and I think that's why I got this palette, and I just haven't really used it, and I was like, oh, I could do like a whole little thing. Plus, with me doing so many hauls and stuff, I just kind of feel like sometimes the amount of makeup I buy is overwhelming, so I think that this will benefit most people who don't go out and buy new palettes every single week. I would encourage you guys to go back in and dive into your old palettes and just play around with them. Remember why you love them or decided that you hated them. I think a lot of the times I'll throw, like, even if I dislike a palette, I'll be like, oh, well, I'll just kind of like keep it in here just in case I decide I want to, you know, use it again later, and then it just sits there. It never gets used. So I love this color. I absolutely love this color. So I'm gonna go in with another brush and I'm going to pick up some of this salt, this like little light matte moment, and I'm just going to blend out the top of that orange to give it a lighter transition, because the only other dark color that I feel like could make this deeper is Blaze, or no, Heat Wave, but it's a shimmer, so I really don't want to do that. So what I'm gonna do, basically I put Daybreak in and I'm going to make a whole new color using salt, just to lighten up the top so it looks like I put a lighter color at the top of the brown. Ooh, I like it. So I think now I'm gonna go in with a double dip here, this light blue one, and I'm gonna put it on the inner corner to the middle. I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. I'm gonna be adventurous. We shall see how it goes, but I'm gonna try. I actually decided I'm going to put it on the inner corner to the middle, and then also on the outer corner to the middle, and do like a shimmer in the middle too. Oh God, I love this blue. Why do I not use this blue more often? Like, why is this not a thing? And it's such an easy palette to create such an easy look. Like, I'm almost done this look. There's not many choices, I will tell you that. It's either, you know, brown or blue, but I feel like you could definitely get a lot of looks out of it, but very easy to do look. I will say I have a little fallout situation going on, but it is a very, very pigmented shimmer. And this one is double dip. I don't know if I said that. Okay, so I have the blue placed on both eyes. I really, really like this blue. Like, I feel like it didn't take a lot either to put on my eye, which is surprising, as bright as it is, but wowza. Or 16th Street. Alright, so I'm going to go in now with another flat brush and get 16th Street, which is this light bronzy color. And I'm going to place that right in the center and blend it with the blue. Like, this is definitely something different. Usually when I do like a halo, I will do like a matte look and then pop the shimmer in here. But I just figured, why not just do all shimmer? Just bring it to life. I love this palette. So I think I'm going to try to deepen up the crease where the blue is just a little bit. And I think I'm going to do that by using a pencil brush and going right here into Plunge and just going right into the crease of where the light blue is, right in here and then out. crease and then out, just to give it more depth. Why have I not used this palette? What is wrong with me? Like, she's gorgeous. I really feel like this was the last good palette that I saw Urban Decay come out with, because I haven't bought anything from them since this palette. I just feel like it's always just like the same look, where this one was a little bit different. Like, it definitely gave me beachy summer vibes. So now I'm gonna go back in with that light blue, the double dip blue, and just lightly try to blend the lines so it isn't so harsh. Just lightly. Ooh, all right. So now I'm gonna go back in with Daybreak, and I'm just gonna blend out that blue a little bit because it is just quite harsh. So right in here, just blending the top so it doesn't look so harsh. And I do go around here. Ooh, I'm a big fan. I love this palette. So I am putting a little bit more of that orange brown right up there, just to kind of pull that color so it's not as harsh on my eye, the blue line. Blue can be a very harsh color to use, even a light, beautiful blue like this one. So you just want to make sure you're just focusing on more than just the blue. So it's not like, yeah, blue. I think a lot of people stray away from using blue, but I really think it can just really be just such a beautiful color. So that's it for the lid. We're gonna hop off camera. I'm gonna put my face of makeup on, and then we'll come back and we're gonna finish the under eye look, and I will give you my thoughts on this palette. Alright guys, so I am back. I have my face makeup on. We're gonna finish this under eye, and then we're gonna decide whether or not I'm keeping this palette or not. I think I'm not gonna do blue. I think I'm gonna play it safe, and I am gonna go in with Daybreak under my eye. I just feel like blue under the eye can be a little tricky, and because my whole face is done, it can be really messy and cause it to look like I have black eyes. So we're just gonna go in with Daybreak and just fill her in there. Ooh, I love that. Oh my god, this is definitely my journey. I'm a big fan of this palette. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush, and I'm gonna go in with Blaze. Right here, this light shimmer I was gonna go into, and I'm gonna do that on the inner corner. I really do love this color. I really wish it was just a smidge more golden and less peachy, because I feel like it's a little bit more pink, like a pink peachy color. So I wish it would be a little bit more golden. I think I'm gonna go in with Salt, which is that really light beige, and go over it just to give it more of a golden look. Oh my gosh, I need to fix that. That is not what I intended to do at all. It happened. We're gonna have to work with it, but that was not, it's not the goal. It's not the goal here. So anytime I do that, I just go in with the concealer beauty blender and just tap over it, so it kind of dims it down just a little bit and like puts me back in my place. I love Alright, so I'm gonna put my bottom lash mascara on, and then we're gonna go in for my final thoughts. Alright, so final thoughts on this palette. I think I am going to keep her. I find that she has a lot of different looks that I can create, a lot of different beautiful, stunning looks. You do have your neutrals, but you also have these blues that, like I said, a lot of people kind of stray away from, but I find such a unique beauty in blues, especially these colors. Like, they're just so gorgeous. I do wish there would have been one more normal matte shade other than just Daybreak, because you're kind of gonna have that warm orangey look no matter what, because these two did wind up having shimmer in them. I do wish that I have used her more. Like, I feel like she's been neglected. This is a beautiful palette, and I don't know why I stopped using her. So she's definitely going to go back into my collection, and I'm going to focus on trying to use her a little bit more. Let me know down below if you have this palette, how often you use this palette, or maybe if you're gonna look into seeing if this palette is still available, because I don't know. It's been a very long time. So hopefully if you loved this palette, it is available for you to buy, but I am gonna keep her in my collection. Like, it's just super small, and I feel like if you're going on vacation or something and you really want those blue, brownie, just beautiful, lustrous eyes, like, look at this. Then you just have like this cute little, like, it's so cute, and it's the way that it folds too, like, just so perfectly that I can just like flip, 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 flip. Like, I love it. I love the packaging. I love the colors. I love the formula. I had just a tad of fallout, but it wasn't really anything serious. I just kind of brushed it away and then I was good to go. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you like these throwback videos where I do use older eyeshadow palettes or older makeup to create looks for you guys and determine whether or not the palette was still worth keeping or if I should get rid of it. So again, I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you did. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I do 5 beauty videos every week and 1 blooper video every Saturday. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!